These aren't luxury escapes, they are quiet revolutions, reminders of how little one actually needs to feel whole. Adventure as cultural insight. In Jamaica, adventure is not just about the destination. It's about the people who take you there. The farmer guiding you through misty fields, the raft captain humming mento songs, the elder who hands you bush tea by a riverside path. These moments define the journey as much as the peaks, caves, and waves. What makes these adventures unforgettable is not their rarity, but their authenticity. They are deeply Jamaican, rooted in land, shaped by history, and powered by human connection. To explore them is to see Jamaica not just as a destination, but as a living, breathing force of nature and culture combined.
Tune into Exploring Jamaica on the History of the Caribbean's podcast to hear more. Click the link in my profile and start listening now.